welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film for you guys my fall home tour. This has been a much requested video. I wasn't even sure if I was going to film on, but I did put up some fall decor, so I am happy to share it with you guys. It's not, wait a minute, I was going to just make a whole bunch of excuses up about why it might not be up to your standards, but this is my style. I am confident in it, believe it or not. I am confident in it. It's just not what's the norm out there, so sometimes I get a little self-conscious. But anyway, I'm going to share it with you guys. Most of you guys seem to like my style, so I will share it with you. Just the main floor in my house. If you are new here, my name is Erin, and I recently moved to a smaller town to be able to afford a bit of a bigger house and an older house. So I really like an older style house. Our house is over 100 years old, and it's a little bit modern and a little bit old. So I hope that you guys enjoy this tour. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And yeah, let's just get started. So we'll start in the main entrance. The door is right behind me. You come into this little foyer, and the first bit of decor is here. Just some Dollar Tree flowers in a milk glass little vase there, or planter I guess I should say. It's actually plastic. I got that at a yard sale. The little container that it is in is from HomeSense, which is sort of like the Canadian Home Goods. Stacked it on some vintage books. And then this sign here is new, well, new to me. It is a welcome sign that I got at the thrift store. It had pink lettering, but I just made it black just to be a little bit more my style. So this is what you see right when you walk in the house. And then if you come over here, we have a mirror that is a hand-me-down from my aunt. And on here you would see my Goodwill challenge, which I've shared before. I'll link it if you haven't seen it. Just says come in and cozy up there. And then over here are some new additions. You guys haven't seen this before. This beautiful piece of artwork here is from Rachel from Sweet and Simple Home. It used to be on a stool that she had, and it wasn't to her style, so she took it off and then she sent this to me. So I put it in a little IKEA frame there, and I absolutely love it. And then over here, this is new. I got this at a yard sale for 50 cents. Just this vintage brass and mirrored sort of, I guess, vase or something. I don't know, wall sconce. But I really like that, and I just popped some flowers in there that I got from the thrift store. Then if you spin around this way, before we head into the house, I'll just show you quickly by the stairwell. Just put a wreath up here. This wreath I've had for a very long time, but I've just stuck some of those Dollar Tree pumpkins, you know, the little clip-on ones. Just stuck 3 in there, and I think it looks really cute on this window. Then down the hallway to the rest of the house. I'll just stop here. Although this is not fall decor, you guys probably haven't seen this unless you follow me on Instagram, but this is a new gallery wall that I just made, and I really like it. My family wall used to be on this side, but I found it too distracting on that wall, so I've put it actually on this wall now. And I've decided to keep all the frames sort of in a gold metal sort of scheme there. So anyway, it's a work in progress, but that is going on right now. So I'll take you guys in the dining room to start. There's not a ton of fall decor in here, but I do have my mantle sort of decorated up here, just with my little letterboard from Target. It says thankful and grateful today and every day. So just put that up there with some thrifted and yard sale finds. This is actually a recent yard sale find that I don't know if I shared with you. It's a beautiful green glass bottle, and I really like that. So I just stuck a little pick there from the Dollar Tree, and these are Dollar Tree flowers in a vase that my aunt actually gave me. She said, Erin, I think this is really your style. So I've inherited that from another aunt, and I do really like it. Coming down here on this storage unit, I have a little pumpkin that I got from HomeSense. It's a velvet pumpkin, and I just love this deep orange color, so I've put it there. I also got this new candle here, vetiver and oud. I love that sort of earthy smell, so this is a new one also from HomeSense. I believe it was, I don't know, $4 or something like that, but yeah. And then this lamp here is a new find. It is thrifted, sort of a mid-century lamp. It didn't come with a shade, so I put this drum shade on it. I thrifted this drum shade as well, but not at the same time. So anyway, I really like that little vignette going on right now. Over here, I don't share that often. It's my office. It's most often a disastrous mess. It's not looking too bad right now, but anyway, this is just my office, and I store things there until I'm ready to use them. A piece of new decor, I put these two little shelves up here. They are from Urban Outfitters, and I've just stuck some flowers in there. These are from a yard sale, I think, or maybe they're from a thrift store. Anyway, they're secondhand. And up here, I have a new little vase there that I found at the thrift store, and I just stuck some faux flowers up in there. So love these types of colors for fall. I know all the rage is neutral, but I really do like the sort of more traditional fall colors. Okay, then behind me here is the dining table. We just had actually Thanksgiving yesterday at our house, so I don't really have the table decorated that much, except this little centerpiece that I've had on since the beginning of fall. I just put that together there. These brass leaves here I found at the thrift store, a big bag of them for $4.99, and I absolutely love them. There's also like maple leaves and this style as well. You probably recognize this as a Dollar Tree pumpkin. I got some Dollar Tree fall decor at the beginning of the season, and you'll see it sort of popped around everywhere around the house. So this is the dining table. This was also on the dining table for, I had two tables because we had 16 people over, so this was on a table as well, but I don't know where I'm gonna put that right now, so that is a work in progress. In my Hutch, my collections Hutch, I do have some decor up here up top, and this is just a pumpkin from HomeSense, just a vintage book there, various things from the dollar store as well as the thrift store, yard sale. Just stuck some Dollar Tree eucalyptus leaves in there. And then this painting you may or may not recognize from a yard sale haul that I did a while ago. I picked this up and it is perfectly at home up there. It's nice and tall and I really love it. So that has a home there, and it'll likely stay there all year round. Before I take you through to the living room, I'll just show you on the piano I have some decor that I've put up here for fall, mostly in sort of faux flowers, little pumpkins. This is our new little fish that we have. This is Jude's fish. His name is Kermit. This thankful sign I got from Michael's last year. And then these are just sort of thrifted finds. This Mercury vase or planter or whatever you call this is also from Michael's. I got it on major clearance. So that is that. This is my most recent thrift find. I didn't share this in any haul, but I found this pumpkin and I just love the texture that it had. So it was $3 and I really love the colors and I just think it looks really pretty. So anyway, this is what's on top of the piano. And now I will take you into the living room where I've mostly just sort of switched out the pillows for fall. And I do have a little bit of a thing in my tray that I DIY'd. But yeah, these pillows are from a variety of places, H&M, Chapters Indigo, and over here, these are mostly thrifted pillows. All 3, 4, 5 of them are thrifted, and then that last green pillow over there is from H&M. I switched out the flowers that are in this little hanging basket here. I put some fall colored faux flowers in there. And then I'll share my gallery wall because people ask me about this all the time for updates. I've sort of been at a standstill with it for a little while. I think it's always going to be a bit of a work in progress, but I do really love the way that it's come together so far. Got my milk glass collection in there. Usually I'll put little flowers in their stems just in each of the vases, but this time I decided not to just because I had a lot of flowers going on. with the tray back there, with my flower wall, and then with all the pillows on the sofa. So I also get questions about this sofa. I made a video on it. It was a sofa that was actually generously sent to me, and it's from Article. It's called the Sven sofa, and we've had it for a while now, and I still really, really, really love it. So down here on the coffee table is the tray that I DIY'd, and it still has this sort of light floral, sort of springy pattern on there, but I just tucked a scarf that I thrifted on top just to sort of give it a more moody fall vibe. This marble pumpkin is from HomeSense. So is that white pumpkin candle, which I really, really love. And then this little green pumpkin is faux, and it is from the Dollar Tree. Another new addition to the living room is the artwork that I put above the fireplace here. These are 2 paint by number pieces that I recently thrifted, and I absolutely love. It's a little boy and a little girl, and we have a little boy and a little girl, so I love the frames, I love the colors in the paintings. So anyway, we just hung those, and I really, really love them. Down on the wood stove, we have some things that are just sort of fallish, but they won't be able to stay there when we have fires, just because it's not very safe. But for now, until we are ready, it's cooled enough outside. I just kept all this stuff here for fall. And then up here, there is a little shelf that I've also decorated. And this shelf came from HomeSense, I believe. And we've just got some fall things up there with some books and a little sign that was from the Dollar Tree. I just wrote grateful, thankful, blessed. You see that everywhere. But anyway, this vase is also from the Dollar Tree. And then these are real flowers that I've just dried out and put up there. Lastly, I will take you guys into the kitchen. The first place that I always decorate is this little shelf here. It's a triangle shelf. I thrifted it, and just with some decor from Dollar Tree, yard sales, thrift store. You guys know the drill. Always secondhand decor mixed in with a little HomeSense. So anyway, this is how the shelf looks like for fall. And then over here, I just have a little bit of fall decor with some flowers in this basket that's hanging here. And then I just popped out my Chippendale apron that I got from Disney, just because I love that little orange color there. I thought it looked super cute. So that is that. And then over here, I shared this picture on Instagram, so some of you may have seen this, but I got this sign at HomeSense, a whole latte love and pumpkin spice. I don't know, it looked really, really cool to me, and I really loved it. So I picked that up for, I believe it was like $13 maybe, or maybe $9.99, I'm not sure. But anyway, this is my little coffee station here, and still loving my coffee. And then over here, I have a wreath that I found at a yard sale, and I think it might be sort of a candle wreath, so to be laid flat, but I put it on the wall here. I love all these colors together, just sort of, you know, represents fall. So that's above the stove. I was worried about it getting greasy, but someone had the brilliant idea to just take it down when you're cooking and something greasy. So I've been doing that, and it's working really well. So that's that there. And then over here, there isn't much in the way of fall decor, just my shelves here and my black and white mug collection. I did get a new mug that I'll share. It's down here. It's a Stormtrooper mug, and it just fits perfectly with my black and white scheme. So there you have it. That is my decor for fall and a bit of a house tour, because I haven't shared a house tour in a while. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel and want to see more content from me, please consider subscribing so you don't miss a video in the future. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!